Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study faster than it feels illegal. First, identify your personal learning style, whether visual, auditory, or kinesthetic, to tailor your methods effectively. Next, create a distraction-free zone. Turn off notifications and close unnecessary tabs. Finally, before you begin, define specific, measurable goals for what you want to accomplish in your study period. This foundational preparation is key to unlocking rapid learning. To truly accelerate your learning, engage actively with the material. Don't just passively read. Instead, summarize key points aloud or in writing after each section. A powerful technique is to explain the concepts to a friend or even an imaginary audience, as this forces you to articulate and organize your thoughts. Regularly quiz yourself using practice questions or flashcards to actively retrieve information, which significantly boosts retention. Strategic planning is crucial for efficient study. Implement the Pomodoro Technique, working for 25 minutes followed by a 5-minute break, to maintain high concentration. Tackle your most challenging subjects during your peak alertness, typically in the morning when your brain is fresh. Consistent, spaced repetition, like reviewing notes for 10 minutes each day, helps transfer information from short-term to long-term memory, making recall much faster. Finally, optimize your environment and mindset for peak performance. A tidy, quiet, and well-lit study area minimizes distractions and promotes focus. Prioritize getting between 7 and 9 hours of quality sleep each night, as rest is vital for memory consolidation and cognitive function. Cultivating a positive, growth-oriented mindset helps you approach challenges with resilience, making the entire learning process more effective and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.